Hi guys, this is Noora of the Happy Florist. I'm so happy you all can join me today to learn how to press flowers and make some pressed flower art. What we are going to use today, what I'm going to teach you is how to press the flowers easily at home with whatever you have, how to make a piece of work, artwork, and basically how you can display it. So let's get started. For today I have these gorgeous frangipani, as you can see. I'm lucky enough to have these really vibrant, beautiful colors. They grow very close to home. So let's get started. To start off, all you need is your specimens. They have to be collected in the noonday sun, preferably when it's super hot. What that does is your flowers won't have much moisture on it, and it will be easier for you to press it and for the colors to be vivid. If you do collect them in the morning, okay, this is what happens. You can press it, it still looks beautiful. I personally think this is gorgeous, but it turns out brown. There's too much moisture. Okay, so let's get started with this, our current specimens. I have this book, it's a diary. So the diary has papers kind of like printer paper. It's not glossy, it's matte, and all we do, I'm sure lots of you have done this. There's a little bit of moisture on this. Let's just keep this up. All we do is, you all might have done this when you all were younger. It's a very popular art form. But during this summer, I decided to press all the flowers that I could get hold of, or everything that was falling down. So I've taken a love for it again. So press it down just how you feel it would look best. Okay, I'm going to do all three flowers right here. Now if you like, you could cut off the stems. I'm going to smash this one down. Okay? And there's nothing more to it than that. It's not more complex. The only complex thing is waiting for them to be done. That's what requires some patience. Besides that, this is a little wide, so you need some space. Okay, try not to have them touching each other, so I'm going to move this. Let's give it a gentle press down. That's all it needs. Oops. Now if you have chubby fingers like mine, it will be a bit of a conundrum. There we go. Now this book I am going to place in my library. If you follow me on Instagram, this is the_happy_florist. You will see in my highlights, the pressed flowers, you will see me do this really well. It goes into my library under a ton of books, and it takes about a week, especially now in the rainy season. It will take about a week to get really dry. Do check on it every 2 days. If you find lots of moisture coming out of it, you can leave it under some more paper. Do follow us here at Woovly and me at the_happy_florist for more pressed flower art and other crafts.